Sahih al-Bukhari 3146, narrated Ansar radiallahu ta'ala anha. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I give to Quraish people in the order to let them adhere to Islam, for they are near to their life of ignorance, i.e. they have naively embarrassed Islam and it is still not strong in their hearts. Sahih al-Bukhari 3147, narrated Anas bin Malik radiallahu ta'ala anha. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala favored his apostle with the properties of Hawazin tribes as five booty, he started giving to some Quraish men even up to 100 camels each, whereupon some Ansari men said about Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive his apostle, he is giving to men of Quraish and leaves us in spite of the fact that our swords are still dropping blood of the infidels. When Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam was informed of what they had said, he called the Ansar and gathered them in a leather tent and did not call anybody else along with them. When they gathered, Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to them and said, what is the statement which I have been informed and that which you have said? The learned ones among them replied, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the wise one amongst us did not say anything, but the youngster amongst us said, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgive his apostle, he gives the Quraish and leaves the Ansar in spite of the fact that our swords are still dribbling wet with the blood of the infidels. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, I give to such people as are still close to the period of infidelity, i.e. they have recently embarrassed Islam and faith is still weak in their hearts. Would not you be pleased to see people go with fortune while you return with Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam to your houses? By Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what you will return with is better than what they are returning with. The Ansar replied, yes, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we are satisfied. Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to them, you will find after me others being preferred to you, then be patient till you meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and meet his apostle at Al-Kawthar, i.e. a fount in paradise. Ansar radiallahu ta'ala anha added, but we did not remain patient. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.